Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss 50 multiple choice questions about database management system. These questions are very important for you for any upcoming exams. Let's see each question one by one. Don't forget to subscribe and write how many you get out of 50 on the comment section. The first question, what is database? A. Collection of programs. B. Collection of data. C. Collection of hardware. D. Collection of users. Database means it's a collection of data. So B is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which of the following is not database management system? MySQL, Oracle, MS Excel, PostgreSQL. The correct answer is C. Microsoft Excel is not a database management system. 3. Which model uses table to represent data? Hierarchical, network, relational, object-oriented. A relational model uses table to represent data. 4. Which SQL command is used to retrieve data? The SQL command that used to retrieve data is the select. 5. Which language is used to query database? C. Java, SQL, Python. C. SQL, which stands for Standard Query Language, is used to query a database. 6. Column in table is called tuple, record, attribute, key. A column in a table is called attribute. A row in a table is called attribute, tuple, domain, field. A row is which is known as tuple. 8. A table in relational database is called record, tuple, relation, field, which is the relation. 9. Which SQL command remove table? Delete, drop, remove, truncate. Drop, that is used to remove tables. 10. Which key uniquely identify each record? The key in database that used to uniquely identify each record is the primary key. 11. Foreign key is used to identify records, link tables, store data, sort records. Foreign key in a database, it is a primary key in another table that used to link tables. 12. Which key can have null value? Primary key, country key, foreign key, super key. The key that can have null value is the foreign key. 13. Which operation removes all row but keeps table structure? The operation that remove all rows but keep the table structure is the truncate. 14. Which of the following is not a relational database management system? MySQL, Oracle, Mongo database, SQL Server. Mongo database it is not a relational database. 15. Which SQL clause used to filter records? Order by, where, select, group by. Where is used to filter records. 16. Which command modify table structure? The command that used to modify table structure is the alter command. 17. Which constraint prevents null value? Unique, check, not null, default. Not null, that prevents the null value. 18. Which function returns total number of rows? Sum, average, count, max. count returns total number of rows. 19. Which join return match row from both tables? Left join, right join, full join, inner join. The inner join returns matching row from both tables. 20. Which object improves query performance? View, trigger, index, cursor. Index object improves query performance. 21. Which database level deal with physical storage? External, conceptual, logical, internal. D is the correct answer. 22. Which level describes what data is stored? Internal, external, conceptual, physical. Conceptual level describes what data is stored. 23. Which type of data independence is logical? Change in storage, change in schema, change in live, change in file, change in hardware. Change in schema, the type of data independence is logical. 24. What is data independence? Data duplication, data security, separation of data and program, data encryption. Separation of data and program is data independence. 25. ACID stands for? In database system, ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. 26. Which property ensures all or nothing execution? Consistency, isolation, atomicity, durability. Atomicity ensures all or nothing execution. 27. Which SQL keyword is used to retrieve unique values? Unique, distinct, different, separate. The SQL keyword that is used to retrieve unique value is distinct. 28. Database architecture. The term three-tier architecture refers to presentation, logic, data, application, storage server, user, data interface, none of the above. The correct answer is A. Question number 29. Which command undoes change? Commit, save, rollback, drop. Rollback that used undoes change. 30. Grant command is used for inserting data, deleting data, giving privilege, creating a table. Grant command is used for giving a privilege. 31. Revoke command is used for removing privileges, removing data, removing table, removing users. A. Removing privilege. Grant for giving privilege, revoke for removing privilege. 32. Entity represents attribute, relationship, real world object, key. Entity represents real world object. 33. Schema in database is a visual map of the database, a set of rules governing the database, collection of related table, none of the above. Is the correct answer. Schema in database is a collection of related tables. 34. Which type of database relationship allows one record in a table to be associated with many records in another table? One-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-many. B is the correct answer, one-to-many. 35. Which of the following statement creates new user in MySQL? The correct statement to create new user in MySQL is B. Create user, then 37. Which command is used to add new record in a table? Insert command is used to add new record in a table. 39. What type of database model uses entity and relationship? Hierarchical model, network model, object-oriented model, entity relationship model. Entity relationship model, a database model uses entity and relationships. 40. Which command is used to modify data in a table? Modify, change, update, alter. Update is the correct answer. 41. What is the default isolation level in a SQL server? Read committed is the default isolation level in SQL server. 42. Which of the following is used to ensure that database remains in valid state even in case of power failures? D is the correct. Question 45.3. Which of the following is used for data integrity in relational database? The correct answer is A. Constraint that's used to ensure data integrity in relational database. 44. What does the term database transaction refers to? Database transaction refers to a series of operations that are executed as a single unit. B is the correct answer. 45. What is data lake? Data lake means centralized repository for unstructured data. 46. Which type of database supports complex data type like image and audio? Relational database, object-oriented database, flat file database, NoSQL. Object-oriented database supports complex data type like image and audio. 47. In distributed database, data is replicated across multiple locations. 48. What does the principle of least privilege in database security mean? Least privilege means providing users only the permission they need to perform their specific tasks only. 49. Which database security feature restricts data exposure by canceling specific elements from an authorized user? Data masking. It is a security feature that restricts data exposure by canceling specific elements from unauthorized users. Last question, how does role-based access control improve data security? The role-based access control improves database securities by assigning permission to role rather than individual users. Thank you. This is the last question. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next.